Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Happy Monday morning. How is everyone today? Well, today is going to be a busy day for me. Um, when I leave here, I've got to run and I've got some yarn that's been delivered to my P.O. box, so I got to go get that. And yeah, it's supposed to be, we've got like a 35% chance of rain today, so I've got to get out and go get that yarn. Tomorrow, or no, at 1 o'clock this afternoon, Central Time, 1 Central, 2 Eastern. I will be doing my interview today with Nova from Nova Gnome Creations. Yay! I'm so excited to be talking to Nova. Um, uh, if you guys are subscribed to her, you already know how awesome she is. And if not, come join in on the live, watch us today at 1 o'clock and get to know Nova a little bit more. And those of you who do Nova, already know Nova, never know, you might find out something new that you didn't know. So stay tuned for that today. And then let's see, tomorrow is the last learning style that I'll be teaching, and that is the auditory musical learning style. So stay tuned for that for tomorrow. Um, and let's see, Wednesday is the sneak peek. It's week 2 for Battle of the Stitches, and I'll be sharing a sneak peek of the project I'm making. Guys, I'm really excited about the one I'm making for this month. It's turned out the idea I had in my head, I actually went ahead and made one ahead of time to make sure it was going to work out, and I love how it turned out. So stay tuned. So let's see, Wednesday, week 2, you'll get a sneak peek and see if you can guess what I'm making for Battle of the Stitches. We're doing the tall alternate stitch, and excuse me, the project I made. Just I really like it. I think it's cute, so I hope you'll like it too. Then Thursday, probably what's going to happen is Thursday I'll probably come on and share the yarn that I got and a couple of other things. Yeah, I'll be sharing. Thursday will be a yarn day. I'll be sharing some yarn. And then Friday, just to catch up on what we've been doing this week. Thursday is also the next live that I have with the Spoony Stitcher. And where is my calendar? Here we go. I don't know that we have anything really planned for a theme, for a topic. Let me look back on my uh I am so sorry. I don't know why I'm yawning. I have not a clue whatsoever. Um, hmm. No, I don't have anything written down. Sorry, I had to look at that and see. I was thinking we had something. Um, hmm. Yeah, sorry. I'm just thinking, guys. But I think it's just going to be another crochet and chat. But I will get with sorry, there's something on my glasses. I will get with Shannon and I will find out for sure. And I'll do a post or something to let you guys know. But the live Thursday, 7:30 p.m. Central, 8:30 p.m. Eastern, with me and Shannon. And then Friday is just a whatever day. Um, Also, just to help Shannon out, let you know, mark your calendars. This Friday, um, let me see when that was. I'm trying to remember. Um, she is doing an interview. I am so sorry. I do not understand why I'm yawning like I am. But anyway, she is doing an interview with her absolute most favorite ever um, amigurumi designer, Megan Kreiner. She's so excited about this. Yes, 7 Central, 8 Eastern this Friday. Shannon will be live on her channel interviewing Megan Kreiner. Megan Kreiner, she designs amigurumi. She has several books. Here's one of them. I have one of her books, the Chubby Crochet Critters book. Look, here's some more of them. So, and let's see, this is, let's see if there's a picture of Megan Kreiner in her book. I don't think there is. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. Yep. It says about the author. I didn't even look to see. Oh, yep, there she is. The last page, it talks about Megan Kreiner, and this is her. This is Megan Kreiner. And y'all, let's support Shannon at the Spoonie Stitcher with this. This has been her dream interview for a long time. She's so excited, and let's show her a lot of Yarny love and support. And if you can't, the best is to be right there when she goes live and join in during the live. But if you can't, please watch the replay after the live is over. Um, and let's give her all the love, all the thumbs up, all the shares, all the likes, all the comments, and everything for this live, and support Shannon and make this an awesome live. She is working, she's really pushing to get to 5,000 subscribers. And guys, she's getting close. Let me look on here. Let's see. Let me look on here and just see. No, I don't want that. She's at, oh, she has 4,700 and some odd. She's a little over 4,700 subscribers. So, um, she's really wanting to get to 5,000. So please watch her live. Go back and watch some of her videos if you haven't. If you're not subscribed to the Spoonie Stitcher, I will put her link in the comments. Go check out her channel. I will link her channel, and I will also link her upcoming live. I think she has it posted where I can link that. So I'll have her live link there, so you can go and turn the notifications on for that live, so you'll be notified and get a reminder for when it starts. So go watch her, and yeah, we'll see what comes up, and join us Thursday night here on my channel for Shannon and I's live here on my channel. So yeah, lots going on today. I was in the car coming back home from worship service, and I'm talking to Steve, and he, that's our Sunday drive. He, what's going on for the week, Teresa? What you got going on? And we talk about what each of us have going on, and what's planned on for us together, and what each of us are doing. I kind of go over the week, and it hit me. I said, Steve, next month is August. And he said, yep. And I said, fair month. And our county fair is next month. And I have not even begun to start on anything for the fair. I have been so busy with 4th of July and Battle of the Stitches and all this other stuff I'm doing at the Decade Diva project. The fair has snuck up on me, and so I've got to start pulling from the projects I've already got made. I've got to go through my fair book and pull out stuff that I can, because I enter my crochet stuff in the fair every year. So I've got to go through and figure out what I'm going to enter this year. And they have a new section for the fair this year called, I think it's called Unique. It's either Unique Creations or Unusual. I can't remember exactly. I have to go back and look at the book. But somebody suggested to me, they said, why don't you make one of those cat couches? So I am making a cat couch, and I'm going to crochet an amigurumi cat to lay on the couch. and that's gonna be my one of my entries this year. So what I might do is for the Friday video, either Thursday video or Friday video, I may come on and just show you what I've pulled so far to put into the fair. I'll talk about my entries in the county fair. Yeah. So that's what's going on in Critters Crochet. Here's what I would love for you to do. In the comments of this video, since I told you we're doing our last installment of the learning styles tomorrow, that'll be the last one. I would really love your ideas for what we can do on this channel. What would you like to see me do on Tuesdays on this channel after this week? Because I don't have any more learning styles to share with you, so I want to do something else. I've kind of got an idea in my brain. Um, and it would tie in with me making things for the next 4th of July vendor event. But you let me know in the comments, because I want this channel to be something that you guys enjoy. I want to have content that you'll watch and that you'll enjoy watching. So in the comments, let me know on Tuesdays from here out, what would you like to see us do or to see me do on the channel? Remember, starting the 17th, Shannon and I, we're each going to do our own video, but we're both doing back to the basics. So make sure on the 17th, starting on the 17th, and every Thursday after that through August, that you're watching Shannon and I's videos, the Spoonie Stitcher and I. The video on the 17th will be the basic things you need to start out as a crocheter. So stay tuned for that series. And I think that was all I was going to talk to you about. So yeah, I've got lots of stuff to do today. I'm going to get busy on some things, get some errands done, and try to get this all done this morning and back here before the rain starts, because I don't like getting in and out of my car in the rain. It's just not my thing. So anyhow, what is that? Oh, that's my empty box. And I've got to reorganize because I cannot start on any more projects. This room got turned into a hot mess while I was working on all my vendor event stuff. So I've got to do some organizing and cleaning up before I start anything else. So anyway, I appreciate you guys being here with me today. Leave a comment, because when you leave a comment, that helps the YouTube to boost the channel so more people see it. Oh, and our numbers. And that's another thing I have to do today, is get caught up on the blanket, because I am so far behind on rows on that blanket for our road to 2K, that I've got to get more rows added onto the blanket. So I'll be showing that to you. But guys, it's time for another challenge. We have hit 1,870. You know, I did Chubby Bunny when we did the other one. So um, Wednesday not only will be the sneak peek for the project I'm doing for Battle of the Stitches, but at 2 Central, 3 Eastern on Wednesday will be my next live. So I will be coming on and I will be doing the Ginger Ale Challenge. If you've ever heard of the 7-Up Challenge, you'll know what the Ginger Ale Challenge is, but I'll tell you more about that Wednesday on the live. So come back, join me. I have a live today at 12. The lives are going to go crazy for me this week. Live today at 12 Eastern, or excuse me, I can't talk. Today's live will be at 1 Central, 2 Eastern. And then, and let me make sure I told you the right time. Yeah, that's right, 1 o'clock. Then another live on Wednesday where it's just me, and I'll be doing my Ginger Ale Challenge. And then Thursday night, 7:30 Central, 8:30 Eastern, will be a live with Shannon. So come join us for all of that. Let's have a fun week. And guys, I hope you have a great week this week. I hope you have an awesome Monday. And I will see you tomorrow for the auditory musical learning style. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.